So this is named the Apogee space.
Okay.
And that's where most of the computer are.
Mm-hmm.
This computer is the Apogee front-end interface.
Okay. Apogee front-end interface.
It's called Apogee Insight.
Mm-hmm.
And the IP address is located on each desktop in front of the desktop here, 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 and here. And the name of the shortcut, name of the server. So that's Apogee server, that's our Pi server.
Pi server.
And this computer and this keyboard monitor controls these two computers.
Two of these. Okay.
Pi production, which is where we run all our web services, web server. And this one, which is legacy machine, we still run a few systems.
Still action.
Yeah.
Still in operation.
And this one is our mechanical ventilation and natural ventilation.
Okay, mechanical ventilation, natural ventilation. So
there is three field panels inside the IW.
okay, let's get the panels. We are moving, approaching to the panels. This was the first one, right? Yes.
EN4, so most of them have a label here.
Yes, you can see the label EN4 under this panel.
You have to open the panel, the floor.
This is for Apogee.
Apogee.
Yeah, this is the first one.
There is 5 of them total,
Yes.
3 in the IW, 1 in the mechanical room, and 1 downstairs in the basement.
Okay. So we are moving to the conference room. Here, trying to see the second panel.
That's the second panel.
Okay,
EN3.
right it here. Yes, it's right in the corner. EN3. This is the other panel.
And the last one.
Okay. Let's move on. We are going to the entrance parts. Display.
On this, just right here.
Somewhere under this panel.
panel.
Yes.
Okay.
If needed, we need to remember this. Okay. This is the second bay. Okay. Let's go back. Conference room. So we see 3
We can go
panels.
see the fourth one, which is in a mechanical room.
Oh, okay. There's a 4th panel. We try to locate the 4th in the mechanical room. Okay, going to the Margaret Nelson building. Okay, the mechanical room. Try to find the 4th panel here. And here it is. Okay.
That's all the Siemens panels here.
Okay. The 4th panel. Good. Okay, now we are going to see the Lightning System server.
Encelium.
This is for the Encelium.
Yes.
It is in the server glass box at the corner, as you see here. This one, right?
So there is 3 pieces.
Okay.
It's basically power hub.
Power hub.
And if you want to reset the whole system, you will
this is
press
the
this
whole-
button.
Okay. This is the reset button, the red one. Flash. Okay.
This is basically their brain, the one who control all the wall, all the lights is turning on and off, and you can see every network. So there is 4 networks.
Coming from
The lights, our 100 lights is breakdown in 4 networks. They all come back here, and this one is basically the internet connectivity, and this one is the web server, the one who run all the software.
Okay. Yeah.
So
3
power,
power,
hardware management, software
and the
management.
software management, and the connectivity in the system. Okay.
Okay.
So we see the Encelium.
So
server
how we
for the
can
lights.
do the test now. If something goes wrong,
Yes, just a demonstration. Just you see
everything will come on.
everything come on. All the lightning
You let
systems.
the system kind of settle down a few seconds,
Few
turn it
seconds
back
wait,
on,
turn it back on.
and every light will come off.
Yes, and we did a test for the resetting of the systems.
Data connectivity for the IW panel.
Okay.
So the 4 we just saw,
Yes, the 4
they
panels
are
we
all
just saw.
connected back and come to this main switch.
Yes,
And
all
it's
4
labeled.
panels we see here
Yes.
comes back to this main
So
hub.
EN2, 3, 4, and 5.
These have the same labels
And same
and they
label.
should match.
Yes.
4 blue links to this hub. Yep.
And this is
And-
basically one of the main switch. So if something goes wrong, you have to check this switch first.
Yes, we have to check the switch in case of a problem. This links is yeah, it's basically
And this
that.
link and this switch goes
Mhm.
back to the main
main
Ethernet switch,
Yes.
which is our Cisco.
I
This
think
one is
yes.
just-
There's the power.
We did this because
Mhm.
you can see we almost have no port, so we have to aggregate first before going.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's because all ports are full. So the panels connected to come to here that we see before. and
This is a weak point, so this has to be replaced quite often.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This device.
This is the one who is most likely to fail.
Okay, it's
So
good
if there
to
is a
know.
connecting issue, you might want first try to replace this one
Okay,
and ask Bob to come with a new switch
and then
and
we
try
can
with a new
replace.
switch if it solves the issue. Sometimes it is as simple as this.
Okay, good to keep in mind. This is the first door in the glass box at the south corner, as we see it. So please keep in mind all these
So
details.
then we have
Okay.
all our windows, which have our contact sensors, so we know when the door is open or closed.
Yes, these are trying to show.
we have-
Yes, these are the contact sensors for the doors and operable windows. So it gives a state: is it opened or not?
About 20 plus of them.
Okay, we have more
It's
than
a
20.
wireless Enocean technology,
Mm-hmm.
so it goes to the other way,
Okay.
which is
Oh,
here.
this one.
The 2 antennas.
all the sensors at the operable doors and windows
Come here.
comes back to here. We
And
only
there is
see
a-
these 2 antennas.
Yes, but there is
But
a
the actual
server
device-
downstairs,
yeah.
on top of
On
it.
top of it, yeah, this is the coffee room
Yeah.
that we see just above the sink. You see,
Just right above the sink.
yeah, and then you
And
see
this
the
one
device.
translates the Enocean signal into a BACnet signal.
Mm-hmm.
That's how we query it.
Okay,
Then,
fine.
so that's our main brain. We also have our mechanical ventilation units,
Mm-hmm.
which is our central,
Yes, the Stanco unit, right at the corner. The outside.
right outside.
You see this.
And this one is controlled by automated logic
Mm-hmm.
system. So
Okay.
all the field device, field panels are within the enclosure of the SEMCO, but the web
Mhm.
server and the server.
Okay, we need to check the web server for the Samco unit. We see it on the outside, but yes. Go to this location.
Is here.
Yes. Right
And
at
it's
the
clearly
corner.
labeled logical automation server.
Mm-hmm. You see, it's the logical automation server. This is only for the Samco, right? Okay.
And if the SEMCO server is down when you try to access the web server, most likely you just have to reboot this machine.
Okay. Just let me know.
Then the Aircuity,
Aircuity. Yeah.
which is our air quality monitoring system.
Mm-hmm.
It's located here. So just right when you get inside the Apogee space,
Mm-hmm.
it's under the floor here.
Okay. This is under the floor. Please pay attention to this panel. Okay.
We can
For
open it
Aircuity.
quickly.
Can we open it? Yeah. Okay. This is the workshop room, let's call it. And we see how to open a panel. Okay, you just 2 screwdrivers. Just shift it a little bit. And patiently. Yes.
You will see
Panels open.
this green box here. That's
Yes, underneath the green box.
Aircuity.
All Aircuity. Okay. You see it.
Server for the Aircuity is here.
The web server. Now we are at the same location previously.
Inside the data rack.
Okay.
It's a small machine here.
The web server for the Aircuity, as you see here. The small machine here. Again, this is the other side of the glass box. I'm now at the same corner, but I'm looking from the other side, close to the workshop room. Okay.
Okay.
And you see it.
Now we can go see the Somfy.
Somfy. It's another system.
So that's all our operable windows.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 8 operable windows.
Oh, in this room. It's only in here, right? There's operable windows, mechanically controlled.
Somfy panels are here.
Okay.
So if something goes wrong, you also want to come here and check.
Let me find another point to see it. See, we are in the big conference room at the west side, somewhere up here.
Yeah.
The corner. You see the black one? No, is it?
Well,
Yes.
It's this guy.
Oh, here.
This, all the-
Sorry. Okay.
You have the power.
Oh, yeah, I
And
can
the
see it now
controllers.
in between two lightning systems. But this is for the Somfy. As you see here, there is the pieces. There's a little bit of glare
It's
here.
clearly labeled here, operable windows. 3.
Operable
So
window
we have
3
8 of
and
them.
2, 8 of
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
these. Okay. It's nice to see this. And this is Somfy. Okay. Next is Lutron. Okay.
So the guy who controls the blinds.
This is the controller for the Lutron, just sitting on the table.
They have a receiver for
This
this remote,
Oh, these blinds are in operation now.
and the receiver is
There is the receiver. Now trying to find the receiver.
here.
Oh, okay.
That's a Lutron receiver.
The Lutron receiver, just
Well,
up
the
on the
remote.
ceiling. We are just right at the far end corner of the intelligent workplace.
Close to the cool wave.
Yes.
And just on the adjacent room,
Mm-hmm.
that's their whole system, their power management and their network management.
Oh, yes. Now I see it. Lutron, the power and network management. The one we see on the ceiling is the
It's just to collect the wireless
Okay.
from the remote.
Okay.
And then it
sends
gets
it to here.
controlled to this.
This is the brain.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're about the same location at the corner. Just to keep a view around here. Yes, I think we can find it next time. This is the Lutron. Okay.
We worked a lot with the Kinect. We have a Kinect
Oh, Kinect.
installed here.
Mm-hmm.
That's a server who controls the Kinect and the Kinect. So if anybody
Mm.
wants to reuse the Kinect,
Okay. This is the
everything
server
is
for-
set up here.
This is the server for the Kinect. I think we can see the itself just on top of the screen mounted. This is the back of the screen at the conference room. Okay, Kinect server. Let's see it from the front face. This is the screen, and you see the Kinect here. And we saw the server previously. Okay.
So I'm going to change the location of this so we can do it.
Mm-hmm.
All the server will move over there.
Oh, you will change. Okay.
Yeah, because here
Fine.
it's our space.
Yes,
Uh,
but we have something here, right?
Yeah.
Some more
but this will
stuff.
move, you
But
can-
this will be moved. But anyway, we will see
Yeah.
the equipments.
So there is
and we
two
can find-
machines here.
Okay.
One is a Linux machine here. You also have
Mhm.
the IP, and
Mhm.
it's named server 1. The password is inside here.
Mhm.
It's a fairly complex password. That's our Linux machine. We
Oh,
control.
the password is just inside
Inside
the
the-
lid.
yeah.
Okay.
And that's the machine will control our OpenHAB.
OpenHAB. Okay.
So all the iPhone control.
Mm-hmm.
This is the server who control the Plugwise,
Plugwise. Okay.
which is our wireless plug meters.
Mm-hmm.
But this is gonna be moved over there.
Oh,
So
yeah. This will
for-
change the place.
we just manage it
Do they have some screen connected or just their? Is this screen?
All of them have to be, so the Linux machine have to be SSH, connect to it, and this one will have to be remote desktop.
Oh, got it. Okay.
You have to go outside.
Okay, for the weather station, we should go outside to IW and just we have to climb up to the top of the roof where the sensors are. Just a second. I'll be there.
Solar radiation, temperature and humidity,
Temperature and humidity.
wind direction, wind speed,
Wind direction, wind speed, solar radiation sensor.
solar radiation, global solar radiation. We also have a direct solar radiation
Yeah,
and a diffuse solar radiation.
direct
So
and diffuse.
fortunately the mechanism to track the sun is not working as
Yeah.
of now.
That's the problem.
But that's a location of our direct, diffuse and global solar radiation sensors.
This is the global. The easiest is the global, and this is the PV to
Power the
power
whole
up the weather station. And this thing need to be
to be cleaned.
cleaned and
So
has maintained. And this is not working now, right?
Yeah.
Tracking system off. But is it collecting data or
no.
nothing at all?
It's disconnected.
Should be maintained well. And this is the weather station's box, protected.
So all the connection is made here.
This is wired or
This is what?
wireless or
Wireless. That's
all wireless.
the Wi-Fi. We picked up the Wi-Fi.
okay. So we see it here up on the roof. And we see the sensors. Another wheel over there. Okay.
It can be used for if anybody want to make experiment about occupancy detection.
Yeah, these are the webcams.
can
This
turn
can
them
collect
on.
data.
From movement, so you can count on
Mhm.
for a company.
Okay, for occupancy detection
One
studies.
here,
How many we have? One here,
three.
three of these.
The second is here, taking picture of the entrance door.
Okay. This is the one facing the other direction. But now this is just not connected, right?
It's connected.
Is it wireless?
It's wireless.
Oh, okay.
It's-
So we can send data.
Yeah.
So this is a possibility for
And the last
the
one?
occupancy data. That was the second camera. See the total.
The last one is not powered. That's the one in the corner over there, where you can take the whole conference space.
Okay. This is right at the corner.
So this one was disconnected.
Not powered, yes.
Not powered, yeah.
Can see it. A little bit difficult, but yeah. It's right at the corner. Not powered. And this is the main conference room. And we will see one
So all our
system.
electrical panel is monitored. So we tested some startups hardware, so that's one from EcoMesh, and this is wireless Zigbee, and it's connected to this device, which is our DG gateway, and this is connected to the switch.
Usually get
So
away
we also have a more
connected to the switch.
permanent solution in this, which is our Veris system.
This is the collect data about
Our electrical
electrical
breakers.
systems.
So what's consumed for all electrical panels.
Okay. Interesting. Got it.